Vintage time again and pink time again. This is a Hoover 1334 from, we believe, 1958. This one's absolutely original and works wonderfully, and we're going to try it out. By the way, if you have a vintage Hoover, we still sell those cable clips. The late 50s and the 60s brought us lots of domestic appliances that were either pink or had lots of pink details on them. This one's a metal-bodied machine. The later ones from the 70s were plastic bodied. Advertising slogan for the old Hoover machines used to be, "It beats as it sweeps as it cleans," and anybody that remembers these will remember that they have a very characteristic rumble when they're on the floor. So we've got the duo powder on the floor. Let's give it some beans. So as you can see from the floor, true to the reputation of these old Hoover Juniors, this one's pretty good. This machine's about, 66 years old, something like that. And it's done just as good a job on the floor as most modern machines would do. In fact, it's done better than some of them. So there we are, another vintage machine. Check out other videos and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.